My name's Caleb from Go Transit. I'm the General Manager of Operations and Administration. Go Transit's Australia's largest regional transit advertising provider, proudly based here on the Sunshine Coast. We've been working with Image Buiness Furniture for about 5 years now. They completely transformed our administration space when we initially moved into our offices, and most recently they've transformed what was our printing space into a brand new boardroom and brand new offices for our management team. What Image Buiness Furniture have given us is a real space and functionality that we've never had before. They've been able to give us a boardroom that seats around 20 people. The functionality they've introduced in our management's office is actually to give sit-stand desks so that they've got the option to be more flexible within that environment and choose what's most comfortable for them. And we're looking at expanding those options across the rest of our office as well. Working with Image Buiness Furniture has been a real dream actually. The team are so personable and so flexible with their options. They provide installation for everything they sell. We call upon them for any needs that we have, from our partitioning, from chairs to desks to drawers, things like that. Anything we need, we can call Image Buiness Furniture and we know that they're going to deliver the product that we need.